Hello everyone, I am Neha Warambhe from Srimati Gigi Sarda Higher English School. Today we will learn what are integers. Before we start, let's discuss about natural numbers, whole numbers, positive numbers and negative numbers. First, natural numbers. The numbers that is 1, 2, 3 and so on that we are used for accounting, it is called as natural numbers. Natural numbers are start from 1, 2 till infinity. Next is whole number. The set of all natural numbers along with 0, it is called as whole number, and the whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity. Next is positive numbers. Positive, the increasing numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 above 0, it is called as positive numbers, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 up to infinity. And the next is negative numbers. Negative numbers are those numbers that are below 0, means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 till infinity. Generally, plus sign is not written before the positive numbers. Second one is minus sign. Minus sign is necessary to write before negative numbers. And the third one is 0 does not have any sign. Let's see what are integers. Integers are positive numbers, 0 and the negative numbers together form a group of numbers. Positive numbers, for example, plus 5, plus 50, that are positive numbers, and 0 and the negative numbers. Negative numbers, suppose minus 2, minus 9, together form a group of integers. To show integers on a number line, the point on a number line which is marked as 0, it is called as origin. On the right side and left side of the number line, it is at the equal distance. Now see, this right side of the number line, all the positive numbers are there, and on the left side of the number line, all the numbers are negative numbers. See, for example, show minus 7 to the number line. First step is draw a number line. Draw a number line. Plot the points. See, this 0, it is called as origin. On the right side of the number line, all the positive numbers are there. Suppose plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. Now minus 7 to the number line. See, first minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and this point is minus 7, minus 8. Now the question is, show minus sign, minus 7 to the number line. Minus 7 means on the left side of the number line, and left side, see, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6, and this is the minus 7, means this point it is called as minus 7 point to the left side of the number line. The next topic is opposite numbers. Opposite numbers means opposite numbers are at the same distance, from 0 but in a opposite direction. Opposite directions. Initially this cat is at the origin. This 0, it is called as origin. Initially this cat is on the origin. When the cat jumps 3 units, 1, 2 and 3. This cat jumps 3 units to the right side of the number line, it reaches to the plus 3. Here, plus 3. And when this cat jumps 3 units, 1, 2 and 3, it reaches the number minus 3. Both the distances are equal from the 0, that is only the direction is opposite to the each other, that is plus 3 and minus 3 are opposite numbers. See, for example, plus 5 and minus 5 is also opposite number. Minus 7 the opposite number of minus 7 is plus 7. The opposite number of minus 7 is plus 7. Means the opposite numbers are at the same distance from origin but in a opposite direction. That two numbers are called as opposite numbers. Remember one thing, the sum of two opposite number is always 0. For example, the sum of means addition of two opposite numbers. The opposite number plus 5, opposite number of plus 5 is minus 5. Means the sum of two opposite numbers is always 0. Plus 5 and minus 5 are opposite to each other and their sum is always 0. See the second one, minus 2. The opposite number of minus 2 is plus 2 and their sum means the sum of minus 2 and plus 2 is 0. The next topic is addition of integers. The rules are, first, when we adding the integers with the same sign, ignore the sign and just add the numbers and then give the common sign to the answer. For example, first example is, see, when adding the integer with the same sign, suppose the number is 6 plus of plus 8. Remember, plus sign is not written before the positive numbers. So I write 6 plus of plus 8. Means write first integer as it is, ignore the sign and add the numbers. Ignore the sign, just add the number. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. Now the next step is, and then give the common sign to the answer. Common sign is plus sign. If no sign is written, means here plus sign is there. Now plus sign, common sign is plus sign, means plus 14 or 14. Because we know that plus sign is not necessary to write before the positive numbers. Let's take one more example. Suppose minus 6 plus of minus 8. See, minus 6, minus 8. Both the integers have similar sign. When we adding with the same sign, means same sign, just ignore the sign and add the integers. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 plus 8 is 14. But add the numbers and give the common sign to the answer. Common sign to the answer means this minus 14. But write minus 6 as it is. This minus 8. Minus 6 and minus 8 is 14. Minus 14 means ignore the sign, just add the number. 6 plus 8 is 14 and the common sign is minus. Therefore answer is minus 14. Next is second is adding integer with the different sign. Adding integers with the different sign. Ignore the sign and subtract the smaller number to the bigger one and then give the sign of bigger number to the answer. Let's take example. Suppose minus 5 plus of plus 3. See, minus 5 plus of plus 3. When adding integers with the different sign, first integer 5 has minus sign and the second integer 3 has plus sign, means different signs are there. The rule is ignore the sign, okay, and then subtract the smaller number to the bigger one. Subtract the smaller number is this 3 from, subtract this 3 from 5. 3 from 5 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 and then give the sign of bigger number to the answer, and the bigger number has minus sign, so I put minus to the answer. Therefore the answer, when we subtracting minus 5 plus of 3, answer is minus 2. Second example is, suppose this 8 plus of minus 9. See, when adding integers with the different sign, 8 has no sign, means plus sign is there, and 9 has minus sign. So subtract this 8 from 9, answer is 1. Answer is 1, and then give the sign of the bigger number to the answer, and the bigger number has minus sign, therefore answer is minus 1. The next is third one. See, this is 7 plus of minus 4. See, this first integer 7 has plus sign and the second integer 4 has minus sign. The rule says that when we adding the integers with the different sign, ignore the sign and subtract the smaller number to the bigger one. Now subtract this 4 from 7, answer is 3, and then give the sign of bigger number to the answer. See, plus 3, 7 has plus sign, so I write plus 3, or we can say that only 3, because we know that generally plus sign is not written before the positive numbers. The next topic is subtraction of integers. Rules for subtracting integers are, when we subtracting the integer, first write first integer as it is, second is convert the second integer to its opposite numbers, and the third rule is follow the rules of addition of integer. For example, minus 9 minus of minus 4. The rule says that write the first integer as it is, means first integer is this minus 9. Next rule, convert the second integer to its opposite number. My opposite number of minus 4 is plus 4. Now, and the third rule says that follow the rules of addition of integer. We know that when adding the integers with the different sign, ignore the sign and just subtract the smaller number to the bigger number. Now subtract this 4 from 9, answer is 5, and give the sign of the bigger number to the answer, and the bigger number is 9, and 9 has minus sign, therefore the answer is minus 5. Let's see second example. Suppose this minus 9 minus of plus 4. See, minus 9 minus of plus 4. Write first integer as it is, that is minus 9. Convert the second integer to its opposite number. Opposite number of plus 4 is minus 4. Now, and the third step is follow the rules of addition. When we add the integers of the similar sign means common sign, just add the numbers. 9 plus 4 is 13, and give this common sign to the answer, and the common sign is minus, therefore minus 13 is the answer. Suppose this minus 9 minus of 0. See, minus 9 minus of 0. Now, first step is write the first integer as it is. See, minus 9 as it is, and the opposite number of 0 is, remember, opposite number of 0 is always 0, means, and 0 does not have any sign, therefore minus 9 minus of 0 as it is. Now add this number, 9 plus 0 is 9, and the common sign is minus 9, therefore answer is minus 9. Fourth example is, suppose 0 minus of plus 14. See, write first integer as it is. Write first integer as it is means 0 as it is. Now thus convert the second integer to its opposite number, to its plus 14. Opposite number of plus 14 is minus 14. Now when we add or subtract the integers, see this 0 and minus 14. Now subtract this 0 from 14, answer is 14, but the greater number sign is minus, therefore minus 14. Minus 14 is the answer. Let's take one more example. Suppose this is plus 2. Plus 2 minus of minus 4. See, write first integer as it is, means plus 2. Convert the second integer to its opposite number. Minus 4 means opposite number of minus 4 is plus 4. See, integer has similar sign, means add the numbers. 2 plus 4 is 6, and give the common sign to the answer. Common sign to the answer is plus, therefore answer is plus 6 or 6. I hope this video is useful to you for finding addition and subtraction of integers. Thank you.